this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a free shipping coupon with our coupon component. So first you will go to Components, our coupon. You will click New Coupon, select Shipping. Here you can enter a code that you can write yourself, like then value should be 100%, and you can also set up from when to when it may work, or if you can leave it empty so it will work forever. You can also set up if it can be used only once or more times. You can also limit number of uses total, like if you want to set up free shipping for, let's say, first 100 orders and so on, or one customer may use it once or twice and so on. Then you can also limit it to certain categories, products and so on here, but we don't need it. We just want to set up free shipping coupon that will apply to all orders for all customers with no limits. So we just click Save, and that's all. But we have this coupon, so free shipping, shipping 1, let's say like this. So I do it once more time, save, and when they use this coupon it will apply free shipping.